Hi, my name is Anna. If you are watching this video, you are an entrepreneur, a leader, a dreamer. I'm going to share with you in this video why it's very important to fix your business from the root. You see, I've been in business for more than 10 years and I've talked to a lot of people from different industries, and I've come to the conclusion that everyone has the same problem. It doesn't matter what you do, it doesn't matter your industry. If you are a business owner, perhaps you are struggling with this. So stay tuned in this video. I'm going to share with you tips and important recommendation on how to fix your business to take it to the next level. Now, I've dealt with a lot of people, and from the beginning, when I talk to people, they usually say things like, "I want more lead generation. I want to fix my employees. I want to fix my operations. I want outside things." None of them ask for help for themselves. No one says, "I need help as an entrepreneur. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I started." No one admits it's their fault. It's always their employees' fault. It's always the industry's fault. Everyone but them. And I started helping them fix the outside: lead generation, marketing, sales, employees, accounting, etc. And then when we ended up the consulting, the business went to how it was before. And all of our effort didn't matter. Why? Because the leader was not in a good position. So I'm going to tell you something very important. If your business is in the way it is right now, it's because of you. It's always your fault. The business is a reflection of the owner. That's why I changed how I do coaching, and now we help business owners build business starting from the inside. So now we go from the inside to the outside. Why is that? Well, I had, for example, a really good client. She lives in Chicago and she had a food industry company. She distributed products. Her company was really good. It was a nice company, very profitable, really big, and she had more than 10 years in the market. And we started helping her with the outside. The problem is that she was all over the place. She had personal problems. She didn't know what she wanted. She didn't know what she started. It was a family-based company, so she had one brother and one sister, and they were always in a fight, and everyone was in control, everyone was the leader, but none of them were the leader. So the problem were the three brothers, not the outside. So we stopped what we were doing and we started fixing them as a person first. And you see, the more I talk to people, the more I realize that this is the problem. The problem is that right now you don't know where you are going, you don't have goals, you don't have a direction, you have negative beliefs, you have fears, you are surviving. Since you are surviving, your business is surviving too. There's no such thing as my industry is not profitable, there are no good employees out there to hire. No, because if you look around, there are other companies in the same industry as yours that are doing really good. So the problem is not the industry, the problem is you. And so you hire the type of people that relate to you. So if you're in a bad position, you're going to hire bad people. If you don't have a direction, your company is going to be surviving. This means that you build a house without the pillars, without the foundations. You only worried about the outside of the house, about the colors, about the garden, about the look, about how your neighbors are going to drive by. How will they see your house? Does it look like a nice house or not? It doesn't matter if the house is burning on the inside. What matters is the outside look. That's how we build companies. We only worried about the website and the logo and what people say and having nice social media numbers and a big following. But we don't worry about our inside, about the inside of our house. Now, if we don't build that house with strong foundations, with strong pillars, the first hurricane that comes here is going to turn everything down. Everything's going to fall apart. Your house is going to be flooded and it's going to be a mess because it's not ready for that mess. Now, if you build a house that has strong pillars and a hurricane came, the house will survive. Yes, you will have to paint the house again, fix the outside, but the inside, the structure lasts forever. Now, we want to build companies like that. We want to build companies that last forever, companies that are strong, have systems, and have a foundation. I want to invite you here to an entrepreneurial Facebook group that we have. We have two groups. One if you are a Latino business owner, one if you are an entrepreneur and don't speak Spanish. The two groups are the same, they are great. There are large communities in which we help each other, we do networking, and we give free entrepreneurial advice. So I invite you to join. They're really going to help you. You have to really think about what I just said and understand that the problem is you, is not your company. So if your company is in the situation that it is right now, either positive or negative, it's because of you. So I believe it's time now to take responsibilities of our actions and of our company. At the end, we are the leaders, right? We are in charge. So I invite you to join the group. Is on the link below on this video in the description. You can click there and join. It's absolutely free. And if you want more help, if you really want and are you ready to take your business to the next level, we have an entrepreneurial course in which we can help you solve all of these problems that I just mentioned. So at the end of the day, it's your choice, it's your decision, but you know what to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and I see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.